Doesn't look that.
Go from there.
Yeah, I might be able to.
Someone's scared to get dirty.
What a rookie. Better give her hell.
Ooh.
Wow!
None of us. You got a tow point?
Yeah, buried.
When it shuts off, it'll fill with water.
Nah, pull him out with the wide gate.
I have to run over that tree to get to him. You'll have to get back up.
Christy, you want to pull him out?
Oh, yeah, I'll pull him.
Not really. I couldn't get up there.
Running out of fuel. Now get him out.
My fuel ball keeps going dry. That's my
What?
got it strapped longer than that one.
Oh, some words was.
Oh, Dave, you gonna pull him?
You got a spot I'm not going to get stuck, I'll pull him out.
Huh?
There's a spot that I'm not going to get stuck, I'll pull him out.
It's
Exactly.
over here or something.
Pull him out or is he? Hurry up, Dave!
It's a race!
So what do you think? Okay?
Okay, so who's going to get to him first?
They go over that tree around it.
He just don't care.
When you get stuck, pull him out. I'm gonna laugh. Crap.
I'm not stuck unless I go for help.
6 weeks later, he's still in the hole.
Need a strap.
I got the strap in the Jeep if you guys want to grab it.
Stuck all day. Just left it there. We moved back the next day together. Oh yeah.
It was overlong. So we stayed in the front and just kept the heat on. Oil contained, nothing came up.